Oh, you gonna kiss my face? You're gonna leave a big old hickey on my face. Say hi to Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Say I love you, Daddy.
I love Daddy.
Hey, Luke. Did you have a good day?
Yeah. Uh-oh.
You gonna tell me you had a good day?
I had a good day.
Tell
Yeah.
me.
What'd you do today?
Playing trucks and cars.
And what else?
Did you have a cupcake? Was it somebody's birthday?
Happy birthday.
Yep. So you had a good day, huh?
I had a good day.
Good.
And what are you doing right now? What are you doing? You being shy?
You gonna tie that up there?
It's a there too.
Oh yeah?
I'm gonna get you. I'm coming to get you. Oh no! Oh no! I'm gonna get you.
Oh, car.
Yeah, you gonna drive your car?
Ow. Owie.
Owie. You're okay. You drive, gonna honk the horn? Uh-oh. You gonna honk the horn? Go beep beep. All right. Uh-oh.
Oh, you're driving your car?
It's right from car.
Are ya?
It's right from office.
I don't know if Mommy wants you in the office. How about you turn around and come back?
I'll just show you how to do a 3-point turn.
Upsie.
Are you stuck?